full arm waxing, full hand waxing. Today I wanna show you. You can see it's very long and very heavy hairs. Hi guys, how are you? Hope everyone fine. Good. We are start the full arm waxing. First I do for the application powder. Apply powder, and I want the skin is dry. Then after I take the depilator honey wax and apply in the hair direction whatever show for the arrows, and take a strip, apply, and go for the opposite direction. You can see all the hairs come very well and very easy way, just because all the hairs go right to left side in the downwards. That's why I apply all the wax, whatever the hair growth, and lots of tanning coming too. You can see is lots of is tanning. And same process, because this is arm for the front of the part, and I apply for the elbow to wrist. Is the straight for the wax, and take the strip and press and take off the opposite direction. On this situation we go for the always the other side, and now press the skin, and the skin is very stretching. Skin is not stretching, is lose the skin after skin is the too much bumpy and all the things. You can see in the elbow to shoulder is all of the long hair and very heavy hairs. And then I apply is the because hair root is up to downward, and I apply for the up to downwards for the wax depilator roll and wax, and take the stripper, do for the opposite direction. This process we do all the arms whatever for the hair direction. Just check it and do whatever the hair directions. Just this is very easy and very quick service, and not too much is pain, because hair is long but is not hard. And same thing, this part is very sensitive part, is the down of the part for the shoulder. Just stretch the skin and take off the opposite direction, because I do with the stretching skin, and apply for the strip and do for the opposite direction. And all the hairs come very easy way. Skin is red but is very normal and is very easy. And this is the wrist to elbow side for the all the hairs. Apply same process, because hair this part hair wrist to elbow is upward to downside, and we apply same wax up to down, and take up the opposite direction. And you see long hair and too much hairs growth, and I clean for the elbow, because elbow is all the time is black and hairs, because this is all the parts. So we are putting the chairs, tables, whatever I do comfortable, we are putting better. Hair is lots of dead skin too, and I remove the dead skin. And same process we do for the hand. Apply full of the hand, depilator roll on wax, and we take the strip. We take a before strip, because this is not too much the dirty strip, and just I apply for the hand and take off the opposite direction. One by one I take the fingers and do for the clean all the fingers, and half of the way hands folded, and apply the strip and take off the opposite direction. All the hairs come very easy way, and you see for the hair growth all come out. And just I take the simple stripper, whatever the stickiness, I just apply and take off all the stickiness go away. Half of the way very easy and very quickly I clean for the wax. And I clean for the shoulder, because up to shoulder is lots of dead skin and hair direction is totally different. And now I apply and take the stripper and put in the this part and take off the opposite direction. You can see all the hairs come very easy way and stretch the skin and very well. This one complete the full arm. And then after I apply for the wax oil, little massage, and full hand complete for the right hand side for the this hand complete, and the left hand side and the left hand side I am not showing the full arm because is the same process we are doing the other arms. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribing. Who won't subscribe my channel, thank you so much. New one, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Today my channel is 2312, and thank you so much because we need your support. Your support without nothing my channel. I really appreciate, and please give me the comment what you like the this video. And we have lots of playlist. You go and check it the other one videos. Thank you so much. You like this video. See you next video. Till bye bye.